So here is this BMW 330xi, and this was my first BMW engine, and I was trying to find some information and found it rather difficult to find a comprehensive description on the timing setup and head gasket replacement. In my case, I actually had to change the valve. You can see basically valve and spring, new valve and spring on cylinder 2. I had to replace it, so I was not able to lock down my camshaft before disassembling the engine. So basically this is how you do it if you had to reassemble it completely. First, of course, is the same. You have to set your pin, which is down there. It goes under your starter, and it can fit into a few holes actually while you spin the flywheel. So to make sure that you get the right one, your cylinder 1 and 6, the piston has to be all the way at the top. When it is at the top, you have your deadlock, so you can basically lift them up all the way to the top, then play it a little bit, and your pin should go in. Now after that, you have to set your camshaft in the right position. There is a label on the back of your camshaft. Sorry, not on the back, on the camshaft. If you can see, actually you can see it from here, right there. See that imprinted label on the camshaft? This is what you're looking for. It has to face up, and there is same imprinted label. If you can see it, I'll try to show it to you. Hold on, I lost it myself. Oh, it's right there basically. Mine is not very visible, but there you go, you should see it now. That label is what you're looking for. So those two labels, they should face up. So that will make sure that you have your camshaft in the right position. Then this bracket goes on, tight it, basically will lock your camshaft in place. Then this bracket goes on top. So your gears, from what I found so far, it's irrelevant in what position they are. When you are installing them back, this one goes first, this one will go second. In my case, I marked, when I was disassembling, I marked them, so I knew exactly, basically I just put them in exactly the same position. And then this bracket goes on top, right? There is a hole that will be aligned right there, and there is another hole right there. So your plates, these are the two that has to be correct. So these plates will be in the right position after you align those holes. And basically that's it. After that, you will tighten your bolts right there, and you should be set. Now, if you need the torque details, these are the torque details. Let me try to take a good picture of them. These are, there you go. So this is the torque details. It's under number 1 that you're looking for, right? So there you go. And also has some details on other things that you probably will find useful. And here I have the details on how to on the order and tension details, torque details on head bolts. Right, and basically kind of the same information is covered on this printout. So I'll show you this as well, just in case you need it. Okay. Alright, that's all. I hope this information will help someone to have a much easier, better time than I did with this.